By 2026, could your job be gone? Not because of recession, not because of outsourcing, but because of artificial intelligence. The real question is AI coming for American jobs faster than we think? AI is no longer science fiction. It's from customer service chatbots to automated warehouses, from self-driving technology to AI content creation. Machines are already doing work that humans used to do. Companies are using AI to reduce costs, increase speed, and boost productivity. Experts say jobs with repetitive and predictable tasks are most at risk. Data entry clerks, call center agents, cashiers, basic content creators. Even white-collar jobs are feeling the pressure. But here's what most people don't realize. AI doesn't just destroy jobs. It creates new ones. AI engineers, prompt specialists, automation managers, cybersecurity experts. Just like the internet created millions of jobs, AI may do the same. By 2026, AI will likely replace some roles, but completely replacing the American workforce? Highly unlikely. Instead, most jobs will change, not disappear. Workers who adapt win. Workers who ignore AI risk falling behind. So how do you protect your future? Learn AI tools. Upgrade your digital skills. Focus on creativity, problem solving, and communication. The future belongs to people who work with AI, not against it. AI is not the enemy, it's a tool. The real question isn't, will AI replace American jobs by 2026? The real question is, will you be ready? You think AI will replace your job? Comment below. Like, subscribe, share,